Okay, we're gonna log on to Schoology now. To log on to Schoology, it's really important that you have Google Chrome. There's been a lot of problems lately trying to access Schoology, and the best response we've got is that you need to be on Google Chrome. So you're going to click on Google Chrome. If you have a school device, you will already have this. If not, you are going to need to download it from the internet, and it's free. You can just download it. So we're going to open up Google Chrome. I'm going to go to Google, and once again, I'm going to go to the Jackson homepage. So you can always just Google Jackson Elementary Greeley. If you don't know how to get to the web page, and then it will be the first choice. Okay, and so the web page looks like this. You're going to go to the right over here, and you're going to scroll. You're going to look on that right hand side. You'll see a calendar events, and right underneath the calendar events is going to be something called quick links. So keep scrolling, keep scrolling. And then there we go. There's the quick links. Okay, there's Schoology, STMath, and Clever. These are all the things you're going to be using. You're going to click on Schoology. Okay, and then in here it's going to prompt you to put in your child's username and password. This is mine. It's already saved for me. I'm going to log in. And the teacher version looks very similar to the student version, just slightly different. So I'm going to scroll down past over here. You're going to look for homeroom AMKG2. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. And let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. There we go. And then you're going to go to conferences right here. You're going to click on conferences. And then over here, you're going to see that I have set up conferences, and you are going to click on Start Conference. You're going to click on the microphone. You are going to click Allow. Anything it says, you're going to just allow it. You're going to talk. And I heard myself, so I'm going to push yes. Okay, so then I'm going to come over here and push this blue button to hide the presentation. And you can see that there is no video yet. You should be able to see me at this point, but if I cannot see you, you're going to come over here and make sure that your camera is on. So you're going to click this so it's blue, and you're going to push Start Sharing. Oh, I need to come up here, push Allow first. And then you'll see me, and then you can push Start Sharing. And it will be loading very slowly like that. And there you are. If the teacher says that they cannot hear you, you're going to come down here. There's the webcam. There's the leave audio, so that means that you can't hear anymore. And then there's mute. Okay, so if you're mute,
you are now muted.
The person can't hear you. But if you unmute,
you are now unmuted.
Then the person can hear you. So make sure that those settings are all on. But yeah, I know Schoology is really tricky, so hopefully this helped you a little bit to try to log in by yourself.